Hey, I'm Eric Blake. I'm a boat builder here at the Brooklyn Boat Yard. Years ago, friends and I started offcenterharbor.com to bring you inside the world of classic boats, get you out on some of the best wooden boats in the field, and introduce you to the people that created them. If you like this video, you can find hundreds more in the link below in the description.
And taking a couple of screws out of my dust extractor, and so now I can open up and expose the blades to the machine. There's a low notch in the lower end of it which goes around this shaft, and the top clamps on here, and these surfaces come out parallel, so I can put a woodworking clamp on there. That way I can lock the cutter head absolutely, and just by putting a clamp on here, now the cutter head cannot move. I wrap tape around one end of the diamond stone and lay it on here. The reason I do the tape so I'm not cutting into my bar on the planer. And then I roll the blade backward until I can just see it's picking up the stone. It's not running on the cylinder anymore, but it's running on the blade itself. And it's going to put a very slight micro bevel on the tip of this. And then I'll scrub back and forth on here, a little water on there to get rid of the chips. And then do that about the same amount on each of the three blades.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you like it, there's hundreds more. Just follow the link below.